Alright, so you've probably heard of both these hair saviors. Redken Acidic Bonding and Olaplex number 3 because they're like the Avengers of hair care. But let's be real, we don't need all these superheroes. We just need stronger hair, right? So which one's worth the hype in your cash? Let's find out. First up, we've got Redken's Acidic Bonding Concentrate. This stuff claims to reveal strengthened hair while keeping color from fading. You're not just washing your hair, you're giving it a spa day with citric acid and that secret concentrated bonding care complex, whatever that means, but it works. The damage repair is pretty impressive and I've personally noticed less breakage, especially after a few uses. Then we have Olaplex number 3, the classic go-to for many, and honestly I get it, it's a pre-shampoo treatment that works wonders in just 3 minutes. Seriously, this product is like a magic trick for your hair. It strengthens, reduces future breakage, and leaves hairs looking smoother. It's especially amazing if your hair's been through a lot. Coloring, heat styling, the works. Now let's compare. Redken's more of a complete system, so it's got that bonding and protecting your color thing down. It's great if your hair needs intense repair from the inside out. Olaplex, though, is like a fast, punchy fix for damaged hair. It's all about preventing future damage and restoring that healthy shine. Which one should you pick? If you want something quick and effective, Olaplex is your best friend. But if you're looking for a longer term solution to rebuild and protect, Redken's acidic bonding concentrate might be your new holy grail. Either way, both are solid choices, just depends on your hair's needs. Pick your hero and may your hair live happily ever after. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe or your hair might start breaking again. Just kidding. Or maybe not.